Did you know that Cloudjumper actually tried to kill Hiccup? So, look closely at Hiccup's face throughout the entire series. There's a small scar right on his chin, and most people never even catch it. But after rewatching, that tiny detail tells a much bigger story than anyone realized. In How to Train Your Dragon 2, we find out exactly where it came from. It was Cloudjumper, the same dragon that Hiccup's mother gave up everything for. But here's the crazy part. That scar didn't come from some battle. It came from the night Cloudjumper broke into Hiccup's home and took his mother away from him. Which means every single time Hiccup stood in front of his village and defended dragons, he was doing it while carrying a scar from the exact moment his family was torn apart. And Hiccup grew up without a mother because of Cloudjumper. But the moment he saw Cloudjumper, he still chose to trust him, which makes me wonder,